Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix League of Legends critical error. Now there are a couple of different steps you could try to fix it, so make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to make sure that you do not have any sort of background application running. So to check this out, you want to come to the Windows or desktop homepage, and from the bottom right hand side corner, click on this arrow icon or show hidden. Right over here, if you see multiple background application running, then right click on your mouse and click on quit or exit. After which, you want to right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom of the page and click on task manager from a pop-up window. Then here you want to also make sure that none of the background application is running. So if you see any sort of background application running, right click and click on end task. As well as you want to locate any sort of file that's open up related with the League of Legends, such as Riot Client. You want to then disable it by right clicking and click on exit. Once you've done it, so now then try launching your League of Legends and see whether the issue has been solved or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, now what next you want to do is right click on the mouse onto the League of Legends and go ahead and click on open file location. Now then select or double click on Riot Client services. So here what you want to do is right click on the mouse onto the Riot Client services and click on properties. When you click on properties, this is going to open up a Windows tab like this. Come to compatibility. Make sure that run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator is also selected. Now then click apply, click OK and save the changes. This should be able to solve the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you know the drill. That means uninstall it and reinstall the updated version. That will be able to solve the issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.